Hello everybody, we're going to redo the FOOK Mountain Springs Connector Trail video, and this time in glorious 4K. I'm going to start the video for officialness when we get down to the actual beginning of the trail, but thought I'd do a little intro up here. Anyways, used to be called FOOK, but somebody got their feelings hurt and they changed the name to Mountain Springs Connector, which is obviously a more accurate description, I guess, but we all still call it FOOK. Anyways, we'll chime back in once we get closer to the edge of the trail. The top part of this trail is a bunch of pretty loose bench cut single track. We're up pretty high. I'd have to double check, but well over 5,000 feet, so the air is a little thin, but as with many great trails, you start with a bit of a climb. Not super long, but at altitude it can be a little taxing. But this top section's kind of fun. This whole area, besides the mountain biking, is a really good chance you'll run into some cool fauna on our way up the 160 to get up here. Saw a whole herd of bighorn sheep, wild burros, another pretty common sighting, and then the other standard desert fare, rattlesnakes and jackrabbits and desert tortoises, all minutes outside of Las Vegas and the Las Vegas Strip. Not what people think of when they think of Las Vegas. Honestly, not sure how long this bench cut section can stay the way it is. It's pretty loose. Maybe come a time when we need to get up here and bolster it a little bit with some rock work. Because it's thin and basically everything right of center wants to break away on you. Anyways, we're coming up to the point where the downhill starts. Don't have the guys with me. In the last video I had my buddies. One of them's away, the other one just didn't feel up for it. Not a trail you want to do if you're not feeling up for it. Anyways, here we are, FOOK downhill, Mountain Springs Connector, for the tender-eared. Super loose. Start off with some switchbacks. I'm gonna take a right. I'm not sure the official way. Whoa! Certain times of the year this has got a little moisture in it. Right now is not one of those times, so we're gonna have to take it easy when we get to the more exposed sections. Nice thing about this trail in the summertime, it's probably 20 degrees cooler than down in Las Vegas, maybe 10 degrees cooler than Blue Diamond. So it's not exactly as cool as going up to Lee Canyon, Mount Charleston, but you can get a little bit of a break from the heat in the summer. There's a lot of areas where the trail is washed out. People get a little too close. You just take your turn. And watch all the little things that want to reach out and grab you. This is about where we saw the bighorn sheep. Yeah, this guy is a little beat up these days. Real slow. Real. Real loose. Ratchet. We'll stop up here and take a look back at the edge cut section we just went through. It's a hiking trail through there. We just came down through there. Really broken up nowadays. Very, very thin, very loose. Not highly recommended at this time of year. Anyways, we're off to the next little chunk early. Back tire. Tight switchbacks. Yikers. Okay, we're super loose up here today. Slightly higher pucker factor on that exposed section than normal when you just see it blown out that much. We're gonna need to do some work on that if we're gonna want to keep this thing open, because not in great shape. This is a chunky little section here. Let's stop right here. Get our legs. Okay, off we go again. There, head into some loose, tight switchbacks. Okay, as you see, like everywhere else, you got broken up little rocks, cactus trying to get you. Take your time, get your bike tilted over so you got weight down on those knobs. That's how we deal with these switchbacks. Very few places where there's anything that resembles a berm around here, so Really gotta learn to ride the flat corners. It was a fun trail. You can do a couple things. You can shuttle up here, which is the most common way to do it. Some people, okay, we're heading into the rockwork. Some people will ride up it. It is not an easy ride up. Most people elect the shuttle. These rock sections, you want to look at the end, power through them, they will roll. You don't want to get yourself looking down too much. Okay. There's a place right here. We'll take a little break in the shade. Okay. We're off again. Through some more canyon rock work. This is where the most fun part is. A lot of time and effort went into building this part of the trail. Whoa, that's a big old plant. And it's just great. All right, where are we going? There we are. I always miss this. Not today. Not today. Okay. We're going up. And up again. And down. So much fun. Keep the weight through the bottom bracket. Keep the weight through that bottom bracket. Keep it off your hands and drive through those wheel traps. This is where I saw the bighorn. Little break from the punchy sections. Fun little feature right here, worth doing. That is the 160 beside us. That road going that way heads up into Pahrump. Heading back, heads back towards the strip, towards Blue Diamond. Eventually it goes by Southwest Trails, many thanks, which we have a video for. She's loose today, folks. Aptly named today. Okay. Big old turn here. This is a tough feature coming up here, mostly because the sand below it is like quicksand, so you gotta power through. Come up here, make a little right-hand turn. I'm gonna U-turn it. There's another one right here. Woo, whoa, woo. Good times were had by all. Back up into another loose bench cut section. Every 3 or 4 feet you see where people washed out, pooped their pants a little bit maybe. Here we go. There's a whole section of ant sand. Holy cow, it's like mud right now. Come on. It's like riding on Santa Monica Beach. Okay. Yeah, it's not always that loose, guys. It's just in not the greatest shape right now. Check your trail forks, see if people are updating the conditions. I mean, for the most part, in our area, everything just says it's dry. Guess what? It's dry. Or it's super dry. We're down near the bottom of the steep part. They still did a bunch of work down here. And heading in and out of the wash. So we'll include it because it's fun. Another beautiful day. Oh, I am happy I am wearing pants again. We're in pants weather. Cuts down on the thorn attacks. Hoo-yah! Oh, wrong gear. But we made it. Whee! Uh-oh, more of this stuff. Whoa! Chunky chunkies. Owie! Cactus. Cactus Joe. Okay. Getting grip out here is an art form for sure. I think we want to go this way. You head down that way and you'll get to Cactus Slalom, a bunch of other Blue Diamond trails, but we parked today, late night trail. Just wanted to get this video done in 4K. Let's hope it came out. Sad my friends couldn't come along, but you know, can't all be badasses. Some of us have to sleep in and play pickleball. Anyways, that was FOOK, known by those in the know. Mountain Springs connector for the Bible thumpers, I guess, that are running trail forks. And we are heading back down to Late Night Trail. This is Just the Trails mountain bike. Thanks for watching. See you on the trail. If you do decide to shuttle from Late Night, the little downhill green trail heading along the 160 is a fun little bomb. It's a little pedally, but fun. Oh, we got people. Hey guys, how you doing? Just like that, we are at the bottom of the Late Night Trail system. Whoa! And back at Late Night Trails. And back at the car.